Taking care of your health, well-being become increasingly important as you age, particularly. After the age of 50, here are some key areas to focus on for your maintaining health lifestyle. Regular medical checkups. Schedule regular visit with your healthcare provider for preventive screening such as mammography, colonoscopy, prostate exam, and bone density test. Discuss any concern or changes in your health with your doctor. Healthy diet. Maintain a well-balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Limits your intake of processed food, sugary snacks, and excessive sodium. Stay hydrated by drinking an adequate amount of water. Exercise regularly. Engage in regular physical activity to maintain muscle density. And cardiovascular health. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise week. Along with strength training exercise at least twice a week. Maintain a healthy weight. Aim to achieve and maintain a healthy body weight through a combination of a nutrition, diet, and regular exercise. Excess weight can increase the risk of various health conditions, including heart disease, diabetes, and joint problems. Manage stress. Practice stress management techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, yoga, or engaging in hobbies and activities that brings you joy. Chronic stress can contribute to various healthy issues, so it's important to find healthy way to cope. Get enough sleep. Ensure you get adequate restful sleep each night, aiming for 78 hours. Poor sleep quality and duration can negatively impact your physical and mental well-being. Stay mentally engaged and active that stimulates your mind, such as reading puzzles, learning a new skill or language, or playing strategic games. This can help improve cognitive functions and reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Socialization. Maintaining relationships. Stay connected with the friends, family, and community. Engage in social activity and maintain meaningful relationships can have a positive impact on mental and emotional well-being. Preventive measures. Stay up to date with the vaccination, include flu shots, pneumococcal vaccine, and any other immunization recommended for your age group. Additionally, practice good hygiene and take necessary precautions to prevent falls and injuries. Quit smoking and limit alcohol consumption. If you smoke, seek help to get quit, as it is significantly increases the risk of many health problems. Limit alcohol consumption to moderate level or consider eliminating it altogether, as excessive drinking can lead to various health issues as well. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice based on your specific health needs and medical history. Thank you very much.